Welcome to Beginners 2. Now we will study lessons 3 and 4. Let's start with the modal verb can. Can is used to express ability. That means something you are able to do. Can is used in the same form with all the subjects, either singular or plural. That is, either one person or many people. Let's see some examples. I can sing. She can dance. They can speak Japanese. The negative form of can is cannot or can't if you want to use the construction. Let's analyze some other examples. I can speak Spanish, but I cannot speak German. My brother can sing, but he cannot play the violin. Those sentences mean that you have one ability, but you don't have the other ability. Can is also used to express permission and request. Let's analyze some examples now. Let's see, you are in class and you want to ask a teacher something. The common question would be, can I eat in class, teacher? This is to ask permission to do something in class. In this case, eat. Another example. When you are a child and you want to ask your parents something, can I play outside, Mom? Of course, for both questions, if the answer is affirmative, it will be yes, you can. But if the answer is negative, it would be no, you can't or you cannot. We use can as a request when we need someone to do something or we need something. For example, when you are in the classroom and it's really hot and you may ask someone, can you open the door, please? On the contrary, if it is too cold, you may ask someone, can you close the window, please? It is too windy. Notice that in both statements, we finish the phrase with the polite word please, because this is a very polite way to ask something. Be careful. The main verb is always used in base form with all the subject. Let's analyze some of the examples we have practiced before. She can dance. No dances. Dance. I can speak Spanish, but I cannot speak German. Speak is the base form. Can you open the door, please? Open is the main verb, and it is in base form. Okay, now the past tense of can is could. The pronunciation is could. And we use it to indicate ability, request, and permission, but in past tense. The structure is the same as can. That is, that we don't change the form of the modal, and the form of the main verb is the base form. Let's analyze some examples. Could you finish your homework? This could is being used to express ability. meaning were you able to finish your homework? Maybe last night? Another example. Could we use your laptop? We needed it. In this sentence, could refers to permission, something that was done in the past, meaning were we allowed or permitted to use your laptop? And the last use is as a request. In this case, could is commonly used only as a polite statement. It doesn't exactly refer to an event in the past. For example, when you go to a restaurant, you say, "Could you bring me another glass of wine, please?" To the waiter or to the waitress. Or, "Could I take another piece of cake?" Especially when you're in parties. Be careful. Could in requests usually refers to the near future. Examples in negative form. I couldn't believe what she said, meaning ability. Couldn't he go with you? As a request. Couldn't she join us to work the project? As a permission. And that is basically the use of can and could. Now, it's time to practice by yourself using the verbs you already know. That's all for today, guys. See you next class. Bye.